Today we're gonna be looking at this profitable scalping strategy on the 15 minutes time frame, and we're gonna backtest it using the TradingView strategy tester. So, without further ado, let's jump straight into the chart. Our strategy will be built on these principles, the main entries and two confirmations, respectively trend and volatility confirmation. Let's start by discussing the main entries. Open the indicator session and type EMD, and open this one by Zerman. This oscillator is an advanced indicator that analyzes market trends, overbought and oversold conditions, as well as trend direction and strength. Today we're going to focus on the trend direction. If the indicator is above the 0.5, which is this level right here, we will open long positions, as it indicates bullish strength in the market. Conversely, if the indicator is below minus 0.5, it signifies bearish strength, and we will open short positions. Next, we're gonna add the volatility confirmation, which is based on the Donshan moving average, taken from the moving averages pack by TradingView Pro. We're gonna set a length of 20 and source close. Whenever the price is above our moving average, long positions are allowed, while when the price is below the Donshan, we're gonna open short positions. The last confirmation is based on the choppiness index. We're gonna take it from the volatility pack by TradingView Pro. The higher the choppiness index, the more the market is ranging. Of course, we want to catch trend period, so we're gonna allow long and short position only if the chop index is below the 50 level, which is this middle line right here. That's perfect, guys. We have explained all the rules of our strategy. Now we are ready to combine all of this using a powerful tool to build strategies, which is our strategy builder. We are dealing with an oscillator. We're gonna go in the oscillator section, we turn on one signal for long, one for short, and we're gonna select the EMD Oscillator line. If you have any doubt about what signal you should add here, you just need to open the indicator settings, go to style and check what is the EMD oscillator. As you can see, is this line right here. Then once we set the signal, we can set how it must work. We're gonna allow long position, as we were saying before, only when the EMD is above 0.5 level, while for short side, minus 0.5. Next, we're gonna turn on one signal for long and one for short for our trend confirmation. We're gonna set the main moving average in both sides, and here we make sure there is price greater and price lesser for short side. For the choppiness index, which is an oscillator, we come back here in the oscillator section, turn on one signal for long and one for short, and we're gonna set the oscillator from the volatility pack. For both sides, we want there is below 50 level. That's good, guys. We have just set an entire strategy based on 3 different rules. Let's check how it works directly onto the chart. Here we have a long position. The EMD is well above minus 0.5 level, represented by this green area. The price is above our moving average, and the choppiness index is below 50 level. While for short side we have the EMD, which is below the minus 0.5 level. The price is below our Donshan moving average, and the volatility confirmation is below minus 50 level. That's amazing, guys. To complete our strategy, we just need to set our exit rules. We're gonna set the stop loss based on the ATR with a length of 14 and multiplier of 3, while the take profit is based on the risk reward of 2. As you can see here, we have ATR bands, and our stop loss level is exactly at the ATR value at the moment of our entry position. While for the long side is exactly the same. We take the ATR value at the moment of our entry position and we set the stop loss at that level. The take profit will be 2 times our stop loss distance. By checking the short trades, as you can see here we have minus 2% loss, and our take profit is set at 2 times our stop loss distance. Alright, guys, we have talked about the strategy, covered the theory and explained the rules. Now let's look at some backtest results on the charts and see how the strategy has performed. I'm gonna take the backtest results based on these spreadsheets, which you can find in the Settings Bank premium channel on Discord. We're gonna analyze the Cloud USDT based on 15 minutes time frame. The order size is 100% of equity. That means that we're gonna compound our profits and our losses. Each time we make a profit, we'll add it to our size, and whenever we have losses, we will reduce our size. The leverage is set to 1x, so basically we don't apply any leverage to these results. The initial capital is $10,000 and 0.06% commission. And as you can see, we have a mind-blowing results, 1,519% net profit, 300 trades, 46% win rate, 1.45 profit factor, 33% max drawdown, and 1.06 average trade. As you can check here, we have an average trade of 5%, which is calculated based on our initial capital. Daily profit 8.16%, absolutely good. Net profit less drawdown 3.43, and we are backtesting 6 months. As you can check here from the monthly table, we didn't have any losing months. Absolutely incredible, guys. Max consecutive wins 7, max consecutive losses 9, 141 win trades, and 163 loss trades. Average risk reward of 1.68, which is based on this ratio right here. We have an average win of 35.66% and average loss of 20.66%. Max win trade 190% and max loss trade 121%. The equity shape is absolutely good, even though from this phase to this phase right here, the equity goes sideways, but then it recovers and comes up in profits. By checking the buy and hold return, there is a huge difference between these two. As we can check in more detail here, we have the buy and hold return, which is minus 58%, while we have around 100% profit from the long side and 1400% from the short side. By the way, even if we remove the short side from this strategy, we still outperform our buy and hold return only by going long. However, there is no doubt that the strength of this strategy is on the short side. I want to remind you that you can get access to these and all the ready-to-use strategies, along with all the spreadsheets and all the backtest results, in the Savings Bank premium channel on Discord. You can get access by joining on Patreon, along with granting access to all our premium indicators, including the strategy builders, volatility pack, and moving averages pack. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!